Hi, today we are going to see how to use hashtags on Instagram. A hashtag is the label used in social media site that makes it easier to find information with a theme or specific content. We have to go to Instagram, then click on your story. After that, in the upper left, click on this, then select an image. I am selecting this. After that, swipe up and you can see hashtag option. Click on the hashtag option. Here you can type hashtag flower, then you can simply post it to a story or message. If you click on flower, then we can view the hashtag. We can see its related information. So that's all about Instagram hashtag. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.